Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use HDL card reader, not dry contact type. As I mentioned earlier, if we use HDL card reader, then we can get different identity. For example, in a hotel, you may have guest card, housekeeper card, maintenance card, and so on. Then how can we do that? If we want to use our Buspro type card reader, then we have to use this one. You can see this one is connected to our Buspro bus because in here we can make the wiring, so it is connected to Buspro bus. And I have a video to talk about this. This one is our dry contact card reader. This is our Tile series dry contact card reader. This one is connected to the dry contacts channel of RCU, so they are different. For this one, as I mentioned, it can have different identity. For example, when we plug the card, guest card, it can trigger different scenario. And the maintenance card, different scenario. But if we are just use dry contact one, as you know, dry contacts can just disconnect and connect, so it can just trigger power or make power outage. So this one doesn't have the function. And then if we want to get the different identity, use this panel and also need this card writer. We just need to connect it to our computer and then run the software and write the card. I will show you later. Okay. After this, we have to select the card reader here. We have to select card reader, now dry contact type. And the card reader, subnet ID 100 and the device ID 17. And then just click Save. After this, because we want to have different identity, then we have to go back to scenario again. And we can create like a clean scenario, for example, and the maintenance scenario. Okay, maybe wrong spelling, but doesn't matter. And then manager card. And then you can create different, for example, for clean scenario, I just want to turn on some lights. Okay, the bathroom light and the main light. And then click Sure. Click Save. So in this scenario, I just turn on 2 lights. Or if you want, you can open the curtain and turn on the exhaust fan. It depends on you. And click Save. Okay, now let's create maintenance card. The scenario, for example, for maintenance card, you want to turn on the main light. And then turn on the AC, maybe. It's just an example, so you can, according to your real needs, to make the different scenario. But here, I just giving example. high fan speed and click Save. And for manager card, we can, for example, light up all lights. And turn on the AC. Example. And high fan speed and the curtain, doorbell, and the others. If you don't want, you can just now add. After we create the scenario, we have to go to room special thing again. For example, for this manager card, we have to enable it and bind with the manager card scenario and the cleaner card. Then bind with the clean scenario. Repairman, then bind with the maintenance. And then click Save. Okay, after this has been done, we have to go to the card reader here. And please be very careful to write the same hotel name in here. For example, my hotel is this one, the name. And this room is room. Do you still remember we make a remark for the RCU? So the room is building number 1, floor number 1, and the room is 1001. And then we have to change according to it. And because we have different identity, so for example, housekeeper, maintenance, and the manager, so we have to enable authentication and then click Save. And also, we need to go to the hotel digital doorbell. The doorbell is the one hang outside the door. The RF card here, we have to add the target. First of all, we have to select the mechanical switch. And then RF card, because we will use RF card. Then just add the target. The target, if you don't remember, it doesn't matter. We just need to use special universal switch. So we have to go to universal switch page. Select this one, RF card. Universal switch number 18 from RCU and air function on. And for this, air function off. The same, we just need to go to universal switch to find the special universal switch from RCU. You can see the subnet ID, device ID is from RCU and 18 and air function off. And then click Save. Okay, and don't forget to go back to basic information page to make sure this one is the same as the hotel name, must be the same as the card reader, M Hotel. M Hotel and room number 11 must be the same. After this, just need to click Save. And then go to Hotel Management Software, go to System Setting, and change the hotel name in here. So the hotel name must be set in accordance everywhere. Okay, must be the same. And click Save. After this has been done, then please, guys, now you have to use our card writer software. Just we will send to you. So card manager, we just need to open this file and then run as administrator. Let's wait. Okay, you can see it's in here. And if you want to change the language, if in the first time this one is in Chinese, doesn't matter. You just need to right click select the third one. In here, you can change the language. Because I have already changed to English in case you don't know how to change the language. So just need to right-click, select the third one in here to change language. Okay. After we set the language, it will ask you to log in. Then you have to log in. The password is the same as our hotel management software. You just need to click once. And then the password by default is admin. Account admin, and the password is the same, admin, and log in. After this, you have to click this button to set the same hotel name as you set in doorbell panel, card reader, and the hotel management software, and then click Save. After this, then we have to go to this page. Guys, please pay attention. Right-click Hotel Server. It will pop up the setting. We need to go to card reader setting. And the password is also the same, admin. And now you have to, if you are the first time to use the card reader, you have to add the serial number in here. For example, the serial number is this one. You can see this one is the serial number of the card reader, but card manager. But because I have tested if it can work properly, so that's why I already have this. So let's go to right-click Hotel Management Software Server and select card reader writing and the password admin. And you can add it manually again. For example, even I have added, just ignore it. Okay, let's do it. And 664-5266. And then just need to click Add. But because I have tested this card writer before, so that's why I have it. And then just need to broadcast update. If you are the first time to edit, broadcast update. Password is also admin. If you haven't changed the password, the default password. After broadcast the update, then we have to update the status again. Okay, if it doesn't appear anything, it's okay. Normally it will show you succeed. Okay, then just we can turn off this. And the next step, please right-click it again to go to basic information page. Let's do it again. Right-click. Go to basic information page. In here, basic information page, admin. And right-click this one. It will appear hotel key restoration. Okay, if you are the first time to register for a hotel, then you just need to copy this one and copy the hotel mark, hotel name, and then send to our technical support. Then they will help you register it, and then you will get the installation code. So before making this video, I have checked with our technical supporting and I have sent this to our technical supporting e-ring. So that's why I have this, okay, in here. So I just need to, e-ring will, no matter it's e-ring or any other technical support, will send you this key. Then you just need to copy and paste. Please be careful. If you send this PC code and send the hotel remark, please make sure there is no space. Otherwise, it cannot register successfully. So after I get this key from technical support, just click verify. Enter the password again, admin by default. Okay. And then update the status. If it shows failed, it doesn't matter. I will let you know why it doesn't matter. So normally, sometimes the status is not updated successfully, so it shows failed, but it doesn't matter. Normally it will show successful, and then close. Close this one, and also click close this one. Now let me put a card in the card writer. For example, I want to write a guest card. Just need to put the card in the card writer, and then click read. It read back the card, but it will read the information of the card, and now we can issue the card. For example, enter like 3 days and the new card, because I want to give it to the client. The card name, for example, room 101 and key code 10011, and then click write. Yes, so it will write the card successfully. And now let's write a maintainer card. Just need to select maintainer card, and then the room number. First of all, we have to read the card information back. Okay, and then we can click new card again, and the room card name, for example, 1, and key code 2, and then click write. Okay, maintainer card has been write successfully. Oh, maybe let me check. If you want to check, you can read it back again. Okay, but this card is still maintainer card. Now let me change to, it's still guest card. Let me change to maintainer card, and then click write. Okay, write successfully, then we can put the card in the card writer again and read the information back. Okay, it's maintainer card. Let me write again. Read. Okay, maintainer card. And then, for example, housekeeper card, the clean card. Okay. And then we just need to put this card in here and read the card information back. Give it a name, for example, 3, key code 10113, and click housekeeper and click write. Don't forget to set the date, 4 day, for example, and write. Okay, so that's how to write the card. After we write the card successfully, we can go to the room again. Change this to check out and change to check in. So now let's use the guest card. Imagine that you are the guest. Let me change this to check in. Imagine you are the guest. So now you check the in the reception desk. Now you go to the hotel room and swipe the card to open the door. Now you just need to put the card in the card holder, and then we'll trigger a welcome scene for you. Let's see. Okay, now I open the door and then put the card in the card holder. You can see a welcome scene will be triggered. And now I have to leave the room. So I just take out the card. It will trigger the goodbye scenario for me. And now, for example, I am the maintainer. Then I have to swipe the card, open the door. Can you see? Because for the maintainer card, we just need to open the light and the curtain as I remembered. So that's why just have the light and the curtain. Okay, I'll close the curtain. Now let me take this card, remove this card, so the light will turn off and the curtain will turn off. So that's how to issue the card and use our Buspro type, HDL Buspro type card reader. So in HDL we have HDL Buspro type and HDL dry contact type. But for dry contact, if you want, you can purchase the card holder from any third-party dry contact type card reader. So it doesn't matter.